Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Aquarius. Oh, some soulmate returning. Queen of Cups, Six of Cups, Chariot, Four of... Okay. And a renewal. Wonderful. Aquarius, there is some decisions getting made here, some choices. Maybe there was a bit of conflict in a partnership or a commitment. Maybe there was a lack of emotions being given, or maybe somebody needed to apologize or something. But I do see somebody returning back to a loving space. There's a Queen of Cups and the Six of Cups here, and the Chariot, which is beautiful energy. People opening up, maybe after a period of feeling burdened, but there is a renewal, so don't worry about it. What I'm going to do, Aquarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other here right now, what that would be, and then we'll clarify all these cards. So Aquarius and their person, Spirit. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more Aquarius from another deck. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Okay. And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I've never loved anyone the way that I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died, and I died along with them. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. Being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. I dream that I'll wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each morning. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. I told you, there's a rebirth. Or at least that's what somebody wants. My mind is in turmoil, trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. I'm overwhelmed with obligations. Alright, so Aquarius, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. As always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, higher education. Alright, so whatever, either this is a spiritual lesson, or maybe somebody is into higher education. That could be their burden, not being able to give to the connection. I don't know. But this I mean, each of you will have different meanings to this card, but in a spiritual way, this does mean growth, spiritual growth, higher education. Okay, so Spirit, what's the Six of Swords in reverse? Six of Swords, what's this, why was this connection heading the wrong direction? Somebody wanted somebody to return after maybe a period of conflict. Yes, things were in troubled waters. Twice this card has come clarifying the Six of Swords. Somebody did want something to return back into a commitment or a structured relationship. Feeling very unloved and unmotivated, feeling sad. Maybe they were trying to emotionally manipulate their person. Maybe there was some kind of a blockage here which had come in the middle of this partnership. One more, Spirit, Hierophant. Yes, somebody is wanting to communicate, open up. Somebody is wanting communication now, things to start moving. After maybe an imbalance happened, maybe there was a rift or a fight or something happened here which maybe the both of you kind of turned cold or didn't apologize to each other. But there is this, I think, King of Cups who's now feeling unloved, wanting now to release any toxicity which has come into this connection. There's a choice being made to let's kind of fight for this connection one more time. Let's, yes, somebody wants to have victory in this connection, wants to fight for this connection to work. There is a coming together or somebody moving towards the other, coming back, yes, not wanting to be in stress or overthinking. Maybe there's been a delay and this delay has made somebody realize how unhappy they were and how foolish they were behaving maybe. So what's the Six of Cups, Spirit? Six of Cups. Coming back, yes, after a period of stagnation, somebody is coming back. There has been a bit of stagnation in this commitment. Maybe there was an unequal partnership or somebody not willing to have equal give and take. But now they're recognizing that all these games that I played, it's backfired on me. So they do want to return, and they want to return back to a loving place in their life. Queen of Cups. Yeah, somebody has been either studying, gathering information, and their partner could have been losing hope. But they do want to rebuild. They don't want people. They said the messages. Can you imagine? This is messages, communication, wanting to rebuild, wanting to open up, not wanting to be in indecision anymore, wanting to work on this connection now. So why is that it a burden, Spirit? Why is the Ten of Wands here? I think the separation has been a burden. Yes, somebody wants to bring back balance and justice. They don't want to have any more sleepless nights. And oh my God, the burden again. This is really burdened them. They just want to end the fight. That's it. Can we just end this fight, please? This is too much for me to handle. Let's just bring balance, peace, harmony back into this connection. I can't take these sleepless nights anymore. Somebody is wanting a resurrection of this connection now. Judgment, Spirit? Judgment? Yes, I think somebody felt a little disappointed that they were probably on the verge of losing their happily ever after, but they do want to take back power, take back control, do the right thing, make that choice, make that decision, and take action. They do want to take action. They are realizing that they don't like this feeling of sadness without their partner. They do want to heal things, Aquarius. They do want to heal things. This is an active decision being made that let's not fight anymore, basically. Somebody is wanting to communicate and open up about it. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Hope it worked for you. Do let me know. And till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.